Mangadu Kamakshi Amman Temple, located in Poonnamalli Kondattur Road, around 20 kilometers from Chennai. Mangadu Kamakshi Amman Temple is one of the famous Shakti temple in Chennai. Mangadu is known for the temple of Tapas Kamakshi. Goddess Kamakshi performed her penance, her in one leg on fire to marry and reunite with Lord Shiva. As per legend, Goddess Parvati playfully closed the eyes of Lord Shiva, and as a result, the whole universe fell into eternal darkness. So Lord Shiva told Parvati Devi to perform tapas to come out of sin. The goddess came down to this place and performed penance on Panchagni, resting her leg on the sacred fire and folding her right leg. She holds a Japamala or rosary in her hand. Later, Lord Shiva appeared before her and asked her to come to Kanchipuram for marriage. After the goddess left the place, the heat of the fire that she had created caused great discomfort and became unbearable for all living beings. Later, Adi Shankaracharya is believed to have visited Mangadu and installed a Sri Ardhameru Sri Chakram at this place. This was done to calm down the heat of the fire created by goddess and at the same time make it into a place that is soothing for all living beings. This Sri Chakra is considered to be tantric form of goddess herself, and hence Mangadu also find a unique place among devotees. This Sri Chakra occupies greater importance in the temple. This Ardhameru Sri Chakra is referred as Rajayandra, meaning royal status. The base is of the kurma, tortoise design. There are 3 steps above the base. It is further built with 16 lotus petals and 8 petals of lotus still above. The Sri Chakra is drawn on the Pita seat. No Sri Chakra is as big as the one in Mangadu. It is dressed with a 9-yard sari. The temple constructed in Chola style of architecture. The Rajagopura was a recent addition to the temple. The 7-tiered Rajagopura faces south. The east entrance is also still used by many devotees, as there is a market along the road leading to the east gate. People used to buy flowers, lemons and other puja items as they walk through the market into the temple. As we enter the temple, we find Lord Ganapati shrine to the left of the main entrance. After entering the main hall of the temple, we straight proceed to the sanctum where we can see the Ardhameru Mahayendra and idol of Goddess Kamakshi in the main shrine. Devotees have 4 Ambikas for darshan in the temple. As Sri Chakra, Adi Kamakshi made of Panchaloka, Kamakshi doing penance on the 5 Agni Kundas, a small lamp burning near Adi Kamakshi, revered as Ambika herself. The darshan of all Ambikas can be had simultaneously from the mandap. Devi Kamakshi holding a parrot in the right hand and a crescent moon on the head. In the outer corridor, we can have darshan of Utsav Kamakshi and Navakannis, female goddess. Tuesday, Friday, Sunday, full moon day and new moon day are considered auspicious for Devi Kamakshi. Mangad Kamakshi Amman Temple's Google Map location is available in description. Mangadu Kamakshi is a very powerful god. Devotees pray for marriage, child, education and work related problems will be solved while worshipping Devi Kamakshi. After the visit to Kamakshi temple, people must proceed to Vaikunta Perumal shrine or Lord Vishnu shrine located 500 meters away from this temple. Here Lord Vishnu can be seen in a seated posture along with Sri Devi and Bhudevi. Lord Vishnu holds a ring in his palm that he brought for the marriage of his sister Kamakshi. There is also a centuries-old Shiva temple located 500 meters behind Kamakshi temple. Sri Vallishwarar temple is an ancient temple located in this place. Video link for this Shiva temple is available in description. It is considered Shukran got out of his sin by worshipping Shiva of this temple.